down very slowly, not too much, not too fast, not too hard, and it should be the thickness of a 10p coin, just about that much. So it should be between 1 and 2. And where the 1 and 2 is, that's how much you should give.
Oh, this much is.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you'd have to keep that very tight, control it, and then You feel that?
Yeah.
And that's how much rev you should give.
Okay. And let go.
Yeah, and then let go of the pedal slowly. That's it. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
How was that?
Yeah. Yeah.
So after explaining this, I should move on to that.
Yeah. Either way.
Either
you go this one first and then ask them to use the
on my test. Am I doing DSSSM?
No, you're not doing DSSSM. But if something goes wrong with it, you should know what's going wrong there.
Okay. Yeah. Because I was going to say that takes a long time.
Yeah, no, that's wrong. But some people, trust me, when you got that hang of it, you can finish this DSSSM in 20 minutes. You can explain everything into it.
Yeah. It's a lot of talking and a lot of practicality, like the instruments of the car.
Yeah. At the moment, because you're getting into that, how to explain things, you feel it's a little bit longer. But once you know what to explain, it's feel like that. You know, maybe in the first lesson, maybe not. You thinking, I have to explain him everything, but I missed the pedal. Maybe.
Yeah.
You know, next one, you are more prepared for it. And third one, you will be perfect, fine, explain everything.
Because the way I'm explaining now, I'm thinking, did I miss anything?
Yeah.
The lights. I haven't even got to the lights. So yeah.
It's going to be your reflection on your learning or training. I missed that lights. So that was next one. I'll give more in detail.
So we've gone through all of these ones.
Yeah.
After the gas,
go for the pedals. Gear stick.
The gear stick.
You know, first do the muscle memory by looking on it and do it. Looking on it and do it, and ask them, okay, do this gear to this level and see on the speedometer is changed or not. So do this way from here and look at the speedometer is changed or not. Release the handbrake by looking on it and see that it's gone off or not, that red exclamation mark. And then ask them, okay, hand on the steering, right one, eyes on the road and change the gear. Okay. And look from their speedometer only that has been changed or not.
So shall I be like, from here, put it onto drive,
yeah,
handbrake down, but one hand on the steering wheel?
Yeah, not... Okay, when you're putting the gears up and down, make sure it is up only.
That is up, yeah.
It should not be down, yeah. In case if something goes wrong and they push the gas accidentally,
that always stays up.
This is always secure.
Yeah, so they get that in the correct gear first.
Now, safety mechanism is that unless you put the brake down, it won't change the gear. Yes, safety mechanism. And the brake and this release button work together. Otherwise, you can't change the gear.
Yeah.
It's the same with your car also.
Yeah. Same with mine. No, mine is electric. It's semi-dual. It's 50-50.
Okay.
So,
fine.
Yeah, it's just... Because the gear in the Mercedes is where that is
Yeah. It is stick.
So you just push the thing.
Yeah, fine.
Yeah.
Over to you.
Cool. Now, I want you to put your foot on the brake and put the gear on drive.
Oh, this one?
Push that down.
Yeah,
and once you get to D, which is drive, that's it. So the ignition engine is on now.
Yeah.
One hand I'd like to put on the steering wheel. Right there. And then I would like you to put the handbrake down.
No, don't put handbrake.
Oh, no handbrake down.
No. When it's in a D, don't handbrake down.
Okay.
It's just practice of changing the gears only.
Oh, okay. So I'm basically do I do that 10p rev thing?
When it's in a parking only.
In parking only, yeah.
Cool. Not in the D.
So I just explained this.
That's it. Yeah, cool. Just ask them to look on the road and change the gear stick.
Yep, cool. And then you just drive off from here.
No, we're not driving off.
We're not driving off, but
no.
I mean, look at the road ahead.
Yes, look at the road ahead. Because when you're changing the gears, we don't look down on the gear stick. We look on the road. We use our muscle memory or look at the speedometer which gear you are in.
Okay.
Because things can go wrong on this road when you're looking down.
Okay.
So make sure you look on the road and change the gear stick. Maybe reverse, feel the feeling of the car. Look on the speedometer, reverse, and put in neutral now. So keep your eyes on the road, one hand on the steering, and put in a parking now. Look at the speedometer that is gone in a parking or not. So let them talk them through by doing it eyes on the road, one hand on the steering, keep the brake on.
Okay.
This is always up. Yeah, we're not releasing the handbrake.
Yeah.
Fine.
Okay, so now, shall I do the no look bit now?
Yes.
Cool.
Yeah.
So now I'd like you to do that again, but
Yeah.
this time I would like you to do it without looking at the gear stick.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
So
yeah.
I want you to look at the road ahead.
Yeah.
So yeah, put your foot on the brake.
Yeah,
Put it
okay.
into gear, which is the
Which?
D.
Or D. Okay.
Yep.
Look down or
Yep.
up?
No, keep your eyes on the road ahead.
Okay.
One hand on the
Push
steering
the
wheel.
button.
Put it to D.
D. This one.
Yep, there you go. Look onto the.
Oh,
Yep,
speedometer.
once you look on the speedometer,
Oh, yeah,
is
yeah.
it D? Does it show D?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah,
yes,
perfect. One hand there, and then we drive off. So that's how it should be.
Okay. Yeah,
How's that for you? Good?
Yeah, that's
Cool.
fine.
I'd like you to put it back on P, secure the car. Yeah,
Right.
there you go. Is it on P?
Yeah, it is. Can I release the brake now?
Yeah, you can leave the
Okay.
brake down.
That's fine. Yeah. Make sure we don't release the handbrake at all,
Never the handbrake. Cool.
because they're not ready to go at the moment. They're just doing the cockpit drill. Once they have done the cockpit drill, then next session is to move off.
So basically, once we did all of that, but when they're ready, then they just put the handbrake on. That's when they're ready to drive
Yeah.
themselves.
Yes. How is it for you so far?
Good. Very good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cockpit drill, you can put the lights in. Some trainer I know they put the under the bonnet things, like how to release the bonnet, how to
Yeah.
open the bonnet, right, into it, because it's a cockpit drill. They want to know this thing and other things also, like reverse lights, brake lights, color of the lights, all things come in.
When do I get to explaining that bit? Anytime.
Anytime. In the first lesson,
Okay.
if you're having a good understanding with the learner and they understand,
So
put that
I
things
could
in.
have mentioned it just after this as well.
Yeah. What is the color of the brake light? What's the color of the reverse light? What's the indicator light? How when you use it, this stick, put it in cockpit drill. Don't go for this too much in this one here or anything. I said there's a button there on your steering. There for the phone and the using the Bluetooth or
Oh, I shouldn't go for
radios.
that now.
I just mentioned them.
Okay.
I just mentioned there a button there. Don't worry about it. I'll come on later on. I just mentioned. I said I'll come on later on. Don't worry about it.
Okay.
So at least because they're looking at it, they want to just to know what's there. I said this button will come on later on. In my car, there's Bluetooth been connected with my client. So when they come in, they connect their Bluetooth, and if they want to listen to anything, they can listen to anything.
Well, they're allowed to do that.
Yeah, why not? You're allowed to do it in a test also. Learn a test.
Is it
Yeah. Has to be like not too loud or
convenient?
that you can listen to them when they're telling. Yeah. Okay. Now with that cockpit drill, right? If you have time for the lesson, why you can go for the next step. If you not have lesson time, you're gonna drop them back to the place. Again, you're gonna swap the seats.
Does the cockpit drill take the whole lesson?
Sometimes, not. I have a couple of times. The person was slow process learning, and it was hour and a half. By the time I explained everything and he got everything right, and I said, "It's okay to drop you back now." So yeah, it's time is over. Yeah, drop it back. Yeah, please. It's too much for me.
2 hours, isn't it? That is.
Well, it was 1.5 hour lesson. Yes, ideally 40 minutes, half an hour is good minutes to.
On the first day is
First-
an hour and a half, or hour to.
No,
45 minutes to
just,
hour.
Just a cockpit drill. You can explain 30 minutes, 45 minutes.
And on the first lesson with someone, is an hour always the best? Because I know majority of instructors love to do 2 hours, maybe even more.
Well, it's not good learning with 1 hour.
It's never now.
No, and plus it's the hour goes too quick.
Way too quick.
If it's not 2 hours, or I don't do 1 hour at all, but hour and a half.
For the first day.
Yeah.
Okay.
But if they book 2 hours, fine, no problem.
Yeah, I'd say that's even better.
Because 2 hours is good learning. It's recommended by DVSA that do a 2 hour session rather than hour or hour and a half. They recommend to suggest 2 hours because there's more learning.
Yeah, hour seems like as if a speeding process.
Yeah,
Kind of.
yeah. You're rushing into things.
Yeah.
Fine. So now from here, if you think cockpit drill done and they have understand things, you're gonna say, is okay, we're gonna swap the seats again and I'll drop you back. So you again swap the seats, ask them, remember the Dutch reach. They will do the Dutch reach, you come back, I said, do you sit there, I'll sit there, I'll drop you back. So while you're going back again, you're showing the push and pull technique. Right? So I'm gonna move the car from here. And I'm going to take the first road left. And I want to do the push and pull technique with the steering. So watch my steering, doing push and pull. With one hand I'm pulling and one hand pushing. Same way, other way, push and pull technique. Your seat belt.
Oh my god, yeah.
100 points. Or 100 pounds. End of road, turn right or left, anything here. Tells you do mirror signal here. You'll be doing it, but you may be doing the running commentary. So I'm doing here, checking, and looking at mirrors, push and pull technique. And push and pull technique. Now, as a trainer, in your opinion, why they let us go first?
They were being more defensive because we're a learner.
No.
So it's their priority though.
It was, yeah. Not defensive. He was not confident to the turn in the road.
Take that risk, yeah.
Yeah. He's thinking his car is big, road is narrow. If you look at his position already out rather than straight.